Hey, boss babes. I have noticed some really cool stuff on vidIQ, and I have to show you. vidIQ is a free resource. You can upgrade to a pro account. I have a pro account, and honestly, I'm not sure what I'm going to show you is available in the free account and what you have to have the pro account for. I just want to show you what I can do. But the good news is that watching it do its thing in itself is educational. So no matter what, whether you decide to try vidIQ or not, I think that you're going to come away with something. So I wanted it to just go to the regular homepage, but because I have an account, it keeps logging into my account. But you would get here simply by typing in vidIQ.com. Okay, you will have to create an account, and if you have to have a YouTube channel for it to really benefit you. Okay, I guess I should have said that from the beginning. So, vidIQ is a way to help you optimize every aspect of your YouTube content. And I'm just going to show you. Let's just dive in. Okay, so this is what like my I don't know, what is this, like my board or whatever. This is what I see when I log in, and this is the most important part to me, is right here, the optimize your latest video. So I just did this video, and I want to show you how it's going to help me optimize it. Okay, so it's already telling me that the title is not great. It's like giving it a 77 out of 100. It's going to suggest other titles for me. And over here, it's even going to tell me in advance what they would give that title. So if I choose this title, that's going to get a 74. If I choose this title, it's an 88. So that's better, but I'm wondering if there's one that's even better than that. So let's see what this was. I bought the best rated Amazon selfie light with holder. Whatever. Let's regenerate and see what else we can come up with, because I'd like to get them in the 90s. All right, so we've got them. Now we're waiting on the scores. It's like the Miss America pageant. Nah, nope, those are duds. Sometimes I look at their suggested titles and then I'll come up with one on my own that gets a really good score just from observing what they suggest. Ooh, 93. I spent $100 on the best selfie ring light with phone holder. Okay, I'm going to take this, I'm going to click that, but then I'm going to change it a little bit because I only spent 30 bucks. Okay, I'm going to put I only spent $30 on the best selfie ring light with phone holder. Let's see what score it gives me now. 93. Okay, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So down here, like, let's say you're thinking, why? Why is this not a good title? It will tell you right here. So the pros: that I have intriguing elements, a direct description, it's valuable, it's short, common format, grammar, emotional triggers, meaning you want to say, urgent or surprise or the best ever, or, my top 5. It needs improvement in the sense that it doesn't have a universal or personal appeal, probably because not everybody's in the market for that. You know what I mean? And keyword usage, like there aren't any real power keywords in this, but it's kind of an unusual video because it's a review. So I'm going to say close enough, good enough. So that's the title. Let's look at what it thinks of the thumbnail. This has never happened to me before, where I got 100 out of 100, okay, for my thumbnail right out of the gate. I'm like, what the heck? So let me tell you why. The new trend in your thumbnails is to have a picture taken from the video itself. If you've seen any of my videos, I usually have a goofy picture of me like doing a thumbs up or pointing down or something. But the new thing is to have an actual still from your video. That's very popular right now. And it likes the bright colors, it likes the big words, it likes that in a glance you can see what it's about, and then if you're interested in the details, that's right there. So let's see, topic match, emotional triggers, visual harmony, eye catching, etc., etc., etc. Okay. And it will tell you when it does not think you have that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and publish this, and we'll do one more so that you can see some other examples, because this is a kind of a weird video because it was a review. We're just waiting. And I believe it's been published. And then when I do this, it'll ask me if I really want to go away. No, it didn't. Okay. So these are some of my others. And honestly, I've already gone through and optimized them because they were like, there was a lot of yellow in here, like where they're all green now. It's because I optimized them. They were a lot of yellow. So let's see if I have any that are kind of not that great. I bet this one will need some help. All right, 5 ways for your business to crush it. Crush it is a good word. Okay, yep, I knew I would give it a good score. So you want to use power words: incredible, awesome, shocking, crush it, my secret, the top, whatever, the best, whatever, the unknown key to whatever. So, and you know what I'm talking about. When you see those titles, there's something in you that you're like, I got to know what this is. I got to see what this is all about. So let's see what's up with the thumbnail. So it's giving it an 85, which isn't horrible, but let's see what it's saying. It doesn't really have any emotional triggers. So like that sense of urgency or the power words are not in my thumbnail, and it's not very unique. So let's look again. 5 tips for quick success, jumpstart your direct sales business. So we could say something as simple as, um, 5, let's see, 5 shocking tips to catapult your direct sales business, something like that. You see the difference? So I would go into Canva, because all these are saved, change this up a bit and then see if it gives it a better score, which it would. All right. But we're going to move on, and I'll show you a couple other cool things that it does. So this is like my day, and it's showing me that there are lessons that I'm watching. Okay. Oh, hold up. Let's start at the beginning. So optimize your latest video. So we just looked at that. Every day it gives you video ideas, and you can keep them or ditch them. Okay. So like Instagram growth hacks. I am not good at Instagram, so I will probably not keep that. Must have tools for streamlining social media marketing efforts. I wouldn't word it exactly that, but I like that idea. So I'll save that one. Instagram growth blueprint. Nope. Ultimate guide to explosive online growth. Yes. And so this right here is telling me that these titles, these ideas have a very good chance of being well received, that people are going to watch it. And that's what you want. You not only want subscribers, but you want people to watch your stuff, because that's how you get paid. Let's see, generate a video idea. So let's say I'm thinking I want to do a video about personal branding. And then I could tell it to generate an idea, give me more. Okay. So it's giving me this title: personal branding strategy that will make you stand out online. It's giving me the description. It's telling me what tags to put in there. It's even giving me different thumbnails. And the hook is what you say at the beginning of your video, but it's also what is in your description. So I've cracked the code. That's another expression. I've cracked the code to personal branding strategy. It'll make you the most sought after person online. And then this kills me. It gives you the outline for your entire presentation. This is your hook, introduction, the presentation, et cetera, et cetera. So like you literally come up with an idea, and this does everything for you. It gives you the name of your video, and it will even generate a script. I don't usually use a script, but if you like scripts, it will generate a script that you can then use a teleprompter and just straight up read from that. Okay. Like mind boggling, isn't it? All right. So optimize video ideas, generate an idea, search a keyword. So keywords are, okay, sort of like hashtags. Keywords are the juiciest words that are being searched or watched right now. So you can see down here that it's saying that considering what you typically do videos on, here's a really hot keyword for you to use. Digital marketing. It's got an overall score of 71. That's really good. I've never seen anything higher than 80 when it comes to the keyword numbers. If it's better than 60, I'm happy. But so digital marketing is a really hot keyword. So what does that, what difference does that make? That's telling you, then use that in your title, use that in your hook, put that on your thumbnail. There is a place when you are editing your YouTube video where you can add keywords, and you can add up to 500 letters. Okay. And ideally, it should be like 20 different keyword sets. So this would be like one keyword. Digital marketing, but they're going to count how many letters that is, and are limited to 500. Anyway, so these are great opportunities. And then this is fun. This is the newish stuff that I've been doing. Today's growth plan. I've been watching these lessons and I've been learning so much. So I'm on lesson 6. And so every day it just gives you really short little lessons to watch. Over here, it gives you your stats so you can kind of keep track of what's going on. So my subscribers, okay, so last 7 days I've gotten 10, which is way more than I normally get. Okay, my watch time is up. People are watching longer. My retention is pretty good. Okay, like they're watching longer than they did in the past. All right, so over here, so that's today. So generate is when you want it to help you come up with video ideas. Create is it does so much. I can't even believe it. Okay. So this is like a topic of the day. And so I can take that and I can create a blueprint of a video. So whether I'm ready to film it today or not, I can kind of put it together just based on the idea that it's giving me for today. I've actually saved a few of these in the past so that when I'm out of ideas, I can come back here and look at these. All right. Or you could start from scratch, start from one of your ideas. You put that in there and it will create a blueprint, or it will show you some trends. Sometimes you feel like, okay, I'm missing something. Why are other people getting more traction than I am? And you can look at the trends and do what they're doing, do what the successful people are doing. Okay. You can see what your audience is asking. So these are things that your audience is asking, like in the, it's in the community area. And answering a question of your audience is super smart. Recent viral videos in my realm. Okay, they're not just random viral videos. These are recent viral videos in the stuff that I like to do videos on, okay, to give me ideas. More topics. Evergreen content means that it's something that people will watch this year and next year and the year after that. It's something that will be perpetually relevant. Top search terms, content gaps. Okay, so this is saying that your niche, meaning women in direct sales who want to make their business successful online, that niche is missing good videos on these topics. So that would be a red hot idea for you. Double down on your top videos. All right, so there's like a popular video of mine. So once you know what your audience likes, you absolutely can do that same topic over and over and over. That's what the smart people do. Okay. Optimize, we already went through that. Keywords, hopefully you kind of have an idea what that's all about. Top searched terms for my channel: personal branding, attraction marketing. That makes sense. Ideas, that's kind of where you can keep track of your ideas. So these are ideas that I've saved that are red hot. And then so like there's some that are very high, like they're very likely to be popular, and then there's some that are high, and then it might go down to like medium or something like that. So why waste your time? Like, I'm only going to do the red hot ones. You can request a coach. You can look at what your competitors are doing. Let's see what's under SEO. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so bulk SEO, showing 18 videos with 35 recommended tags. Okay, recommended tags, Boss and a babe. That's funny. How to use Trello. Media planning. Current tags. 0 of 500. Not being pushy. Recommended tags. Okay. So this is looking at my videos and saying that, what we looked at what you got going on and we think you missed out on some really good tags here. All right. I got to figure this part out. I didn't even know this was here, this SEO thing, but I love it. I'm going to figure this out. We are going to do that. Subscribers, that's kind of cool, where you can learn more about your subscribers. All right. These are the videos that my subscribers are watching. How cool is that? So then I can say, oh, you want to learn about that? I can do a video about that. Top channels that my subscribers are subscribing to. Very cool. I can, kind of see again what my competitors are doing. Best times to post. And this is based on when my people are actually online. So cool. Here's a place where you can learn. You can take like different courses from these people, events that are coming up. Again, different online events, and then coaching. If I wanted to hire a coach, I could do that. So much cool stuff on vidIQ. So that's that. I just wanted to show you what's the latest and greatest with vidIQ. I hope you got a little something out of it. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this information or appreciate this information. And if you're not yet subscribed to Boss Babes Online, just take a second and do that for me. It really does help me to build my business, and it only takes a second. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you next time.